Hey guys, how you all doing? My name is Shruti Suvarna from Social Voyage. I'll be teaching you about digital marketing, about Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, and stuff like that. Why I've started, this is my first video, why I've started with digital marketing because I have around 3.5 years of experience. That's what I've done in my past. I have also was working for an institute wherein I was teaching people about digital marketing. So I've got a feedback, like good feedback at that time, like you have teaching skills, you must do this. So I never got time, but right now it's everybody's locked in their house. So I was like, this is the best time to do it. So yeah, let's get started. So this would be I am creating a Facebook ad series. I'll be doing that on my blog as well. I have a blog page. I'll be sharing the website link in my description. You can check it out. Okay, so this what video I'm creating, I have also done a blog for that. So if you're not interested in reading the whole blog, you can watch the video or okay. So this would be the first, very much first video of my YouTube channel, and this would be on Facebook ads. Love Facebook ads, and I'll teach you. This would be a basic introduction on Facebook ads, how to start a Facebook page, then how to create Facebook ads, what is Ads Manager, how to create an ad, how to put up a good creative, and stuff like that. So I'll be dividing this whole Facebook ad series into different parts. I'm not sure how many parts it will be there, but for sure there will be many. So this would be just an introduction. So it can be long, it can be short, I'm not sure. So let's get started. So this is every the whole world knows what is this. This is a Facebook page to log into your account. So first rule, you must have a Facebook account to create a Facebook page, to create a Facebook ads, right? So for this, you have to log into your personal account or account, whatever you have. I would recommend using your personal account to create a page because there you can share it with your friends, the page. There you can engage and connect. Maybe in your friend list, there might be your potential consumer. You never know. So yeah, so just let's just get started with logging into a Facebook page account. I would recommend use a personal account. Okay, so I have come to my page. I have just created this page for YouTube channel. That's it, nothing fancy. But yeah, you can use your personal account here because you don't have to worry that your page will be a public page and your privacy might be exposed or something. So don't worry. Page is different, account is different completely. So can you see a create option over here? First, the process is as I told you. First, you have to create a page, then you can create ads and stuff. So let's click on create. So you'll get options to create, like you can create page, ads, group, events, funds, and all that. But then first you have to have a page. So let's create a page. Okay, so the page to be created, you have to define your business, like what kind of business do you do. So there are types of pages you can, if you are a public figure like a celebrity or a musician or anything, so you can just click over here and get started and just put your name and your details. If you are a business or a brand, a product or something like that, so you can just get, so now there is only two division. Before there were like seven, I believe 6 or 7 divisions. Now they have divided it into two only. So once you get click on get started. Okay, so this would represent your page. So as my page is social voyage, just for an example, I already have a page. So okay, so you have to put up your page name over here. Category. Category is very important. So categories can be you have a salon, you want to promote or have a page on Facebook for your salon. So just put salon. You'll get beauty salon, hair salon, whatever you want to. Once you click on that, you will get the address, because the salon has a physical address, so a physical store, a physical shop, so you have to put the address and stuff like that, so that people know where your salon is, so that they can visit and do their stuff. Okay, so right now I'll just do a blog page or a website. You can just click on you are a blogger, personal blogger, social media agency. Why social media agency is giving this address? Because you might have a physical office wherein people come every day, work and go. So the same way. So just define whatever your brand is and click on continue. Okay, so I have logged into my personal account and to my page. So this is my current page, which are my content. Okay, so now we'll just start with ads, how to do it. Okay, so to start with ads, you have to click on, one second, create ads. Can you see the plus sign over here? You have to click here. You'll get many options. So this is actually the new version of Facebook. So it is quite confusing for everybody initially, but then you'll get used to it. So just go to ads. Okay. So I may have some ads which I had created for my clients via Social Voyage. So I'll just check that out. If I have, then it's good. Otherwise, I'll show it to you from the beginning. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Ads Manager. So this is how you start with ads. Okay. So first of all, you have to set a goal for your brand or your business, whatever. So if a business is new, so I would recommend starting with awareness. This is awareness over here. So you can choose any of the two. So this increases awareness of your brand by reaching people who are most likely to be interested in your product or services. Same goes to this, but this is like it is showing to as many as possible. It is not like if I like something, maybe a beauty product or something like that, but I might not like some other product if I just compare two products. So this will be showing to everybody, even if people are not interested in a product, it will be showing. So I would recommend doing brand awareness. So this would be just showing it to people who are interested, who might be interested in your brand. So I would recommend you to start with awareness. So so there are three main objective. Okay, awareness, consideration, conversions. Awareness comes initially once you make your product aware to your consumers or your target, your TG, then you can consider having ads being of this object, any of this. So as I explained you these two, now comes traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is sending traffic to a website, to a blog, to a YouTube video, to any URL, whatever, whatsoever. So you have to create your ads, and at the end you will be having. I'll be showing that how it is. You'll be having a URL option, so you have to insert your URL over there. So once people see your ad, they'll click on the ad, and it will drive them to your website or any URL, whatever you have inserted. Second comes engagement. Engagement is about getting most post engagement. Um, so I have few clients. So they want to promote each and every post whatever they do. So maybe I'll boost it up. Boosting is promoting the post to increase engagement on the post. So if there is anything, write option like put in comments below, something like that. So people will tend to put, because we are reaching to that interested people. Okay. Then comes app install. Many companies, many brands have their own apps. So if you want to increase your app installs, you can begin with app install ads, video views. Um, so this is what it will show. It will get people to view your video content. So it won't be anything like people commenting on your audio or on your video. I'm so sorry, on your video, but the views what you're getting. So, for example, if you've started an ad and you want people to view your ad, so just this is very much equivalent to reach, like people you're reaching to as interested people. So your video views will grow. Like you have a target of maybe 1 million or something. So you can set that target 1 million video views, and you can have that here. Lead generation. Lead generation is the you know people just forget about this and just go here, which is I think not correct. You have to make them aware. There should be a funnel over here. Lead generation is driving more sales leads, such as email addresses from people interested in your brands or businesses. For example, this would be like there would be an ad, you click on the ad, you might be getting a form to fill. So if I'm getting like get this offer or something like that as a CTA, I'll click on that, I'll put my email address, I'll put my number and submit. So once that details go to the client or the business or the brand, they will reach out to you for the offer, or maybe knowing more about the brand. So this procedure, this consideration one, is wanting to people wanting to know your brand more. This is just creating awareness. What is your brand about? This is where there may be two communication, like people going to your website, people getting engaged to your content, people getting installing your app and responding on it. Yeah. So this would be a two-way communication. Messages, same way as lead generation. This would be messages in your Facebook page or your Instagram page. Okay. Third is conversion. Conversion means driving valuable action on your website, in your app, or in your messenger. Okay. So what is this? Conversion ad is like similar to website traffic. There will be a link or something like that, your URL, wherein you will send people. People will go to that URL, and there would be a landing page. That landing page URL, there will be a form over there. They can fill that form, and you'll get one conversion that people have. Means it is more relevant than conversion, than lead generation, because your people are going to your website, that people are trying to know more about your brand, trying to, maybe they are more eligible or convertible consumers or target audience. So people are taking that mehnat, which we say, to getting to your page, your website, and then putting all those data, so they are most interested on your product. So there you can see that people so maybe um, the second one is catalog sales. This works really well for e-commerce companies, wherein you can just you might have seen Amazon, Flipkart ads coming on your Facebook or Instagram page or your profile. So there you'll see catalogs, like the product, showcasing the product, maybe sandals, maybe clothing or something like that. So there you can click on that ad, and it will directly take you to that e-commerce platform, their website. And if you are interested more in purchasing, so you'll purchase that. So everything will be tracked. Same goes to conversion. There is pixel codes where you can track um, the conversion. So there are a big this part is a bit difficult to understand, but once you clear all this, this would be easier for you. Okay. Last but not the least, traffic, store traffic. So this would be if you have a physical store, like a shop, like a salon, which I told you, um, any physical store, any physical business, store business, so you can drive traffic, like footfalls on that traffic. Yeah. So I think if you have any doubts, you can put on the comment section. I'll let you know.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. This is just part one. Part two I'll be uploading soon. Maybe you'll find it in the next video, and I'll be continuing and letting you know about how to create the ad and how to upload creatives, how what kind of creatives is good and stuff like that. So I've divided this video into two parts. I don't want it to be very long. So thank you. Do subscribe. Do like the video. Bye.